Alright, it's time to make another beat. Time to make another beat. Another sample. I don't know how the beat gonna turn out, but the first beat, that turned out pretty cool, man. I ain't gonna hold you. First beat turned out pretty cool. Alright, let's listen to the sample. I don't know if I'm feeling this sample, but we're gonna let it ride. I don't know if I'm feeling it, but we're gonna let it ride. That's why you let it ride. All right, all right. I know I'm going to take that part for sure. Let's see what other parts. Need at least 3 parts. Hey, hold on. I think I just got your beat. Malak, Hadu, My bad if I just butcher your name. I just got your beat. Give me a second. Let me do some editing on this because I just started this beat. But I got you, I promise. And let's see. I'm 5 minutes into this beat. For you, I'll go ahead and try to make this beat in 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to speed through it. I ain't made a quick beat in a long time, so let me find some samples real quick. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this beat. Alright. Speed through this beat. So I can listen to what you just sent me. And I can't see the chat right now because I have FL open. I always meant like, yeah. Alright, let me stop yapping. Alright, let's time stretch. Let's see. I already know that this longer chop is going to be my hook. So put that at 4 bars. We're gonna put this one at 8 bars. What take the longest is this beginning part. But once I start making the beat, man, the shit go fast. So since I know I want to use this as my hook, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I need some bass. This is gonna be the verse. I don't know if I want to use an 808 or. All right, let me record this bass. And I suck at bass. And I seen it come. You say you just started making beats 6 months ago on Ableton. Man, I've been making beats since 2006, 2007. And all I had was FL Studio. Every time I tried to use Ableton, I just couldn't get it down packed. Maybe because I'm just old, bro. I don't know. But I haven't given up on Ableton, so I'll try to use Ableton again one day. All right, that's the verse. Let's see what this is gonna be. You know what? That's I'm gonna play that before this other one. So it'll be these two going back and forth, and then this will just be the hook. All right, that'll be the intro / hook. So, all right, let me map this beat out, and then I'm done with this beat, and then I'm gonna check out what you just sent me. You feel me? All right, let's just map this out real quick. I ain't want to take too long on it. Then when I'm making beats, man, I try not to overthink. I just go with the flow. I try to stay in that flow state, man. So we gonna start off. Yeah, we're gonna start off just with that. Then the bass. Then we're gonna drop that. Come in like that. Drop that. We're gonna go 2 bars, then we're gonna go another, not 2 bars, my bad. I'm having a brain freeze. Boom. Then we're gonna drop both of them. Come back in with that. All right. And we good. Oh, it's one more thing I want to do. Oh, I'm tripping. Let's see how all of these sound together real quick. I gotta put a little sauce on it real quick, and I'm done with the beat, man. I just gotta do my little sauce real quick. A little gross beat. And FL Studios just crashed. But yeah, I'm gonna add that little sauce real quick. I'm just gonna name the beat Real Saucy. Yeah, it's gonna be the name of the beat. I know you can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm exporting a little sample. X. Real saucy. All right. Now I can delete all this. Wham. Wham. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Save it real quick. We'll call it Real Saucy. Now I have to close FL real quick because it crashed on me. But I'm loading it right back up. We done with this beat, man. We done with this beat. Real saucy. All right. So I can delete that. Take that off. Now I'm finna add what I just did, which is I sample myself. I'ma let it flow. Come back in with that drop. It was hard to sample this, man. Come back in with another build up. All right, the beat is done. Let me just hear this little transition part. I had to shorten it. The beat was too long. My light went up. Well, my light went out. All right, this beat done. I'm done with this beat.